Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is delicious and aromatic veg pulao in pressure cooker. Let's get started with the recipe. Heat the pressure cooker. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee heats, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add whole spices. Once the spices starts spluttering, add chopped onions, cook it in medium flame. Add 4 to 5 green chilli slits, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it and cook it till the raw smell goes and the onion turns to light golden color. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add veggies, 1 cup of potato cubes, chopped beans and chopped cauliflower. You can also add carrot and green peas. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or as required. Saute it and cook it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 cups of rice. Rinse the rice well and add it to the pressure cooker. If you are using basmati rice, soak it for 30 minutes and then add it to the pressure cooker. Saute it and mix it well. Now add 4 cups of water. Close the lid and pressure cook it in high flame for 2 whistles. If you are using basmati rice, pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Wait till the pressure goes. And now the veg pulao is ready to serve. Goes well with onion raita or veg korma. So friends, try out this quick lunchbox recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more recipes.